Greetings! If you are watching this screencast, it means you are interested in creating a club or group in WITS. So let's get started. You are going to start on your WITS homepage. You will travel to the Classes tab at the top. After you have traveled to the Classes tab, you are going to go to the left top option, Club/Groups. From there, you can go ahead and click on the Add button. Give your group a name, set your school, add an owner if you would like to. This would be a co-teacher or something like that. It would allow this teacher editing rights as well. Viewable by any staff, that's up to you. Clicking this button means that it will pop up on all staff WITS homepages. I do recommend club webpage and email. The club webpage will allow you to post updates on this page, and the email means that any parent or student that you add to your roster will now see you as an option for email. The rest is not necessary, but up to you if you would like to test any of those features out. Once all of that is set, you're going to go ahead and hit save. After you have done that, we are going to go back and search the group that we just made, and you are going to see this 0 underneath roster. This is where we are going to add students. Click Add Members. You are going to type in your students' names. You can choose to add their first initial. You can choose their school. You can choose their grade. You can leave students selected. Absolutely add parents and search. When you see the students that you want, you would just select the students of your choice. So let's say that I want to choose Elijah. I'm going to choose Elijah, and then I will choose the mother and father of Elijah and add those students to my list. I would repeat this process until I have all of my students added, at which point I can close this out. From this view, I can also choose to add notes. If you need more information on adding notes, you can watch a screencast on that specifically, so take a look at that. Also from this page, you will likely want to go ahead and test out your email. You can choose to email parents right from this To feature, but if you email multiple people, you will allow everyone to see who received the email. So if you want to send an email to everyone, but you do not want everyone to see everyone, so if you do not want your class to see every single student on there for confidentiality reasons, you want to make sure you email through the BCC, blind carbon copy. Once you hit that, yours is going to look a little different than mine, but if you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to find the club that you just made. Make sure you check off parents, go ahead and hit search, and you can select all and close this window. So that will allow you to see, or rather email, everybody from your class at one time. You can send a copy to yourself as well as a read receipt. The read receipt means that you will get an email every single time someone reads your email, so that is up to you. As far as where to direct parents, if you return to the home page, you will be able to send parents to the home page, direct them down to the other pages portion of the home page, at which point they will see your WITS page. So here we are. If I click on that, as a teacher, I get this view. Make sure you have editing mode on. If editing mode is off, it will look like this. So editing mode on allows you to change your notes page, lessons, things like that. And again, the email feature is built into there as well. Should you have any questions about creating a club or group, feel free to reach out to your tech integrator team. Best of luck.